Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best tie blankets is probably one of the most comforting and versatile items you can have. Whether you're snuggling up on the couch, adding a touch of warmth to your bed, or looking for a thoughtful gift, a tie blanket is a fantastic choice. But with so many options available, how do you find the perfect one? In this video, we'll dive into the world of tie blankets, exploring what makes them special and helping you choose the ideal blanket for your needs. Number 5. YourFleece Tie-Dye No-Sew Fleece Blanket Kit. Looking for a fun and easy project? This kit is perfect for making your own blanket, whether you're crafting solo or with friends. It includes simple instructions, making it accessible for all skill levels. This kit comes with everything you need. It includes 2 pieces of soft, 100% polyester fleece and a convenient cutting template. The high-quality fleece is 50 by 60 inches and anti-pill, so your blanket will stay looking great. It's a cozy and super soft throw blanket, perfect for snuggling up any time of year. This blanket is great for many uses. It's machine washable and perfect as a couch throw, a sports blanket, or even a travel blanket for your car or motorhome. Looking for a gift? This DIY fleece blanket is a great choice for friends and family. It provides both comfort and crafty fun in one convenient package. What we like? This kit is all about DIY fun, making it a great activity for anyone. It includes premium, anti-pill fleece, ensuring your blanket stays soft and cozy. If you are looking for a fun and easy project to do with friends or family, or if you want to create a personalized gift, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Love the throw fleece fabric to make a blanket. Bright, beautiful colors. Make great gifts. Good fabric and easy to make. Number 4. Fun Express Penguin Fleece Blanket Kit. This is a no-sew fleece blanket kit designed for girls. It includes everything needed to make a warm and comfortable blanket. It's a fun and easy project for kids. The kit comes with premium fleece material featuring an adorable penguin design. It also has pre-cut fringe edges for easy tying. Simple instructions are included, making it perfect for young crafters. This is a great craft activity for girls who enjoy hands-on projects. They can create a 54 by 54 inch fleece tie blanket without any sewing. It's ideal for various activities. This DIY experience helps develop fine motor skills, creativity, and patience. Kids can craft their own warm blanket while learning new skills. It's suitable for girls aged 4 to 12. The premium quality fleece material stays soft even after washing. The blanket is perfect for bedroom decor, movie nights, or camping trips. It can also be a thoughtful handmade gift. The kit provides ready-to-craft convenience with pre-packaged materials. All pieces are included for one complete blanket project. No additional supplies are needed, making it an ideal gift. What we like? This kit is designed specifically for young crafters, making it a perfect introduction to DIY projects. The pre-cut fringe makes tying easy, and the adorable penguin design adds a fun touch. If you have a young girl who loves crafts or if you're looking for a fun activity for a sleepover or birthday party, she will love it. What people say. The picture of the penguin was vibrant. The fleece is very soft. Number 3. Disney Minnie Mouse Read with Minnie Sound Book. This is the Disney Minnie Mouse Sound Book. It's a fun way to learn and read along with Minnie. She's ready to help you. Inside, you'll find engaging stories. Each page has colorful illustrations and interactive sound buttons. Press them to bring the story to life. The sound book features various sound effects. These sounds enhance the reading experience. It makes reading more enjoyable. This book is designed for early readers. It helps children develop their reading skills. It's a great way to learn and play. With this book, you can join Minnie on her adventures. It's a perfect gift for young Disney fans. Get ready for a magical reading experience. What we like? This sound book is perfect for young children, featuring an engaging Minnie Mouse theme. It's designed to promote reading and make learning fun. If you have a child who loves Minnie Mouse or if you're looking for a way to encourage early literacy skills, this book is a great choice. What people say. Worked as described, coordinates well with other mini gifts we have for this child. Great book for learning and well made. Minnie's voice is cheerful and clear. Number 2. Hudson Baby Cotton Gowns. These gowns are made from soft cotton, perfect for your baby's delicate skin. They are designed to be gentle and comfortable, ensuring your little one stays cozy all night long. The gowns come in a unisex design, making them a great choice for any baby. Whether you're expecting a boy or a girl, this product is a versatile and practical option. Designed for easy changes, these gowns simplify diaper changes. The convenient design allows you to quickly and easily access the diaper area without fully undressing the baby. With a comfortable fit, these gowns allow for plenty of movement. They are designed to provide a relaxed fit, allowing your baby to move freely and sleep soundly. These gowns are ideal for newborns, providing warmth and comfort. They are a practical and essential item for any new parent, ensuring your baby is always comfortable. What we like. These cotton gowns are designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. The unisex design makes them perfect for any baby. If you're looking for soft and easy-to-use sleepwear for your little one, these gowns are a practical and comfortable choice. What people say. The cotton material is super soft and gentle on delicate baby skin, making them very comfortable for sleep and daily wear. One of the standout features is the decision to leave the feet free. It's a game changer, allowing my baby to move her legs freely and providing ventilation to keep her comfortable throughout the night. The elastic bottom allows for quick and hassle-free changes without fully undressing my baby. Number 1. Rightline Gear 100R20 Range 2 Rooftop Cargo Carrier. This rooftop cargo carrier is designed to keep your gear up top. It allows you to transport belongings and passengers without compromising on safety or comfort. This carrier is specially designed to keep your gear dry. It features welded seams, an urethane-coated zipper, and a hook and loop-closed zipper flap to ensure your items stay protected. Constructed of UV-protected PVC semi-coated mesh XT, this vehicle cargo carrier is built to last. It's designed to keep your belongings dry and won't fly off your roof. Setting up this roof bag is easy. Simply attach the straps to your vehicle's roof rack or use the included car clips to attach them to your vehicle's door frame weather molding. When not in use, this rooftop cargo bag folds down for easy storage. It comes with a stuff sack, 4 attachment straps, and 4 car clips, along with a sewn-in setup guide. What we like. This rooftop carrier is designed to keep your gear dry and secure, with a simple setup process. It's made with durable materials and offers seamless storage when not in use. If you are planning a road trip and need extra cargo space, or if you want to protect your belongings from the elements, this carrier is a great solution. What people say. Super easy to install it on the hard-top car, no racks and no rails. Through 14 hours of driving each way, a rainstorm and off-roading on a beach, our cargo remained in place and dry. It is easy to use, stays secure, and can hold a pretty decent amount of stuff. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.